All right, folks, we are back, and it is time for an update on the Hammarlund HQ 129. And we have the tubes in that we were missing, and we actually have this connected to an off-center fed dipole antenna outside. And let's see what we're picking up here.
So 1-2 the count. Taro sets down the pitch. Breaking ball fought off and fouled straight back out of play. And again, that's listed on the board as a cutter. It seems a little more like the slider because we're told that he does throw both, but again, at 91 miles an hour, it's pretty hard cutter there. Bobby's at third. Eagle at second, 1 out. 1-2 pitch. Swung on and missed strike three. Got another cutter away at 93. And Taro has his
performance in full brush of the day. Was asked it is, which is on a Bengals fantasy football option where you most would buy at his current ADP. Your options were Joe Burrow at 40.4 overall, Chase Brown at 30.3, Jamar Chase at 1.6, or D. Higgins at 32.8 officially.
Como esto no lo tengo nada dominado, recuerdo que me tuvieron que hacer el culo para subirme al escenario en plan sal, entonces son muchas cosas por aprender, la verdad. Es un cambio importante, en algún momento echaste de menos el poder volver a esa vida antes de la fama, por decirlo de alguna manera. No, pero por lo que te digo, porque al final yo lo que es la tele la tenía familiarizada o normal. Pero tener esfuerzos desde 5 colegios a las 23:30 horas de crecer. La reducción para España contará de Sudamérica 31 metros, 9,870, y para España, Francia y América.
So it sounds like possibly a station from Spain on shortwave. You can hear some sideband in there.
Escuchando también las voces de la naturaleza y del arte, de la poesía, de la literatura, de la música, así como de las ciencias humanas.